What's up everybody, Jay Styles, all things Styles. Welcome to another video. If you guys are new here, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button. Also, hit the notification bell. That way you guys don't miss my next video. Today's video is going to be a little bit different, out of the norm per se. We're going to do an experiment. But before we get into the details, let me shout out to the squad. Mike T's, 12 Going Apparel, you dig, and myself, Jay Styles. Peace. Also, are you guys familiar with the squad? I mean, I know you guys are familiar with us, but I mean the group. Hashtag the squad. If not, it's linked below. Every Saturday night we go live. This week will be no different. Hope to see you there. So, this is B-Flex. Give me 5 from the vinyl stand. And we're going to supplement on it. You heard me correctly. B-Flex. Give me 5. The vinyl stand. Sublimation. Regular HTV. Based on the polyurethane in this vinyl, it should hold. So, we'll give it a go. Stay tuned. Once again, B-Flex, give me 5, the vinyl stand. We're going to weed it, and then we'll be back at the press. And this stuff weeds pretty good. Okay, as always, you want to give your garment a pre-press. 3 to 5 seconds, get any kind of moisture out. Also, you want to have your lint brush. And when dealing with sublimation, this is extremely important because you will have blue streaks throughout your garment from the lint. Once again, so we have our vinyl here. This is going to be Gimme 5 B-Flex from the vinyl stand. We're going to put this on here. We're going to tack it down for about 3 seconds. And as always, 3 fingers down from the collar. So again, we're going to tack this down. And then we'll apply our sublimation transfer. Okay, so the first thing I noticed about this is that it was extremely hot. So if you're going to do this in the future, you may want to have your temperature down the exact 285 to tack the vinyl down first, because it looked like it wanted to stick to the carrier sheet. It was extremely hot. So now that we've got our base layer down, fingers crossed, we're going to try to sublimate on it. Okay, so we've got our image all taped down. 60 seconds, and we'll see what happens. We're also going to use our Teflon sheet because it did get a little hot under there earlier. Yeah, fingers crossed, guys. I really hope this works for the both of us, you know. 36, 35, 34. Count down with me, people. How many of you guys actually counted with me? Let's be honest. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. The moment of truth. Yeah, this was a little too hot and it stuck to the paper. So, we've got a sweatshirt with paper. What I'm guessing is that if I reduce the heat just a tad bit, it may have worked. Like I said though, nothing ventured, nothing gained. This whole game is trial and error. So in closing, it wasn't a total failure. There are some things that I did learn from this. Number one, when I applied the vinyl, I should have used the full application time of 285 for 4 seconds. Then when I went to the sublimation, instead of going down in temperature, I could have went for the full 400 degrees for the 60 seconds. All in all, we'll just say I meant to do this. It's the faded look, vintage like. As always, this has been Jay Styles. You guys, and I'll catch you on the next one.